Good evening. Um, Teacher Lilian Gonjiri, and we're going to look at a unit, climatology, topic 1 and 2. Topic 1, topic 1 involves scope and development of climatology, where climatology is derived from two Greek words, which are Klima, which means inclination, and logos, which means science of study. Therefore, climatology is a science that seeks to describe and explain the nature of climate and why climate differs from place to place. We have two scientists who referred climatology in the following ways. We have Critchfield, who defined climatology as the science that seeks to describe and explain the nature of climate, how it differs from place to place, and how it is related to man's activities. We have Austin Muller, who says that it is a branch of science which discusses the average conditions of weather. We have we go to the significance of climatology, where we have energy, which plays a part in the use and development of both fossil fuels and the renewable energy sources. We have food, whereby the success of agriculture is determined by how well farmers adapt their crops and activities to climate. And lastly, we have water, whereby many human problems are related to excess or deficit of water. The applied climatologist supplies important information on everything from the chances of flood occurring to the relative severity of flood, as well as his concern with droughts, includes the environmental degradation that can result when a location experiences aridity. On topic 2, we shall look at the constituents of the atmosphere. Number 1, we have nitrogen, which is removed from the atmosphere and deposited at the Earth's surface, mainly by specialized nitrogen fixing bacteria and by way of lightning through precipitation. The second one is oxygen, which is exchanged between the atmosphere and life through the process of photosynthesis and respiration. We have water vapor, which varies in concentration in the atmosphere, both spatially and temporally. The highest concentration of water vapor are found near the equator, over the oceans and tropical rainforests. Number 4, we have on the water vapor, it has several important functional roles, which are: 1, it redistributes heat energy on the earth through latent heat energy exchange, and 2, it helps warm the earth's atmosphere through the greenhouse effects. Number 4, we have carbon dioxide, which is an important greenhouse. The human cause increase in its concentration in the atmosphere has strengthened the greenhouse effect and has contributed to the global warming over the last 100 years. It is also exchanged between the atmosphere and life through the process of photosynthesis and respiration. Number 5, we have methane, which is a very strong greenhouse effect. Its concentration in the atmosphere has increased by more than 150%. The primary sources for the additional methane added to the atmosphere are domestic grazing animals, termites, landfills, coal mine, oil and gas extraction. We have ozone, which is also highly concentrated on the Earth's surface in and around cities. Most of this is created as a byproduct of human created by the photochemical smoke. This buildup of ozone is toxic to organisms living in the Earth's surface. And the last we have aerosols, which in addition to gases has a wide variety of suspended particles which may be liquid or solid and are small enough that they may require very long times to settle out of the atmosphere by gravity. Mm, we shall end our lesson at that point. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.